Hi guys, welcome to today's review. Today's going to be the Dairy Queen Pecan Pie Blizzard. Stay tuned. Let's just get into it here. So you put a dollop of whipped cream on there. And try it and show you the pieces. Is that it? There we go. You can see it very well. Boom. Look at that, guys. See it better there? Pecan pie. You guys wondering why I said it that way? Have you seen when Harry met Sally? I think they're in a museum or something, and they're talking in funny voices, and he goes, pecan pie, you know, you have to make these. I'll be okay, guys. If you haven't seen that movie, you have to see it. It's not a new movie, but definitely a classic. I forgot to get napkins. So hopefully, it doesn't drip too much. Very good. Tastes exactly like pecan pie. Way better than my lunch. You guys will find out why later. I think they're really good, not too sweet. So basically, if you like pecan pie, you're going to love this. I'd say it's definitely a pass. It's exactly like pecan pie. Well, it has real pecan pie chunks in it, pecans, or pecans, which are really easy. And with my cream, definitely a pass. See if your Dairy Queen has it. If they do, I definitely recommend trying it. Let me know in the comments, guys, what your favorite kind of pie is, and your favorite kind of blizzard. And thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Be favorites. Bye, everybody.